In this video we're going to expand on the use of the park feature as well as the paging. We're going to use the VVX 411 model for this example. We are going to primarily focus on the display. For the park feature, assuming you have an active call, you can place the call on park by either pressing one of your pre-programmed park buttons, and you'll see the call is parked because it's lit up. You can take the call off by pressing the same park button, or you can transfer to the park zone. In this case we're going to use 701, so we will transfer 701, wait for it to connect, and hit transfer again. Now you'll notice the call is parked on park 1. So I can pick it up by either pressing the park 1 button again, or from any phone in the building, dialing 701, and I now have that call back. To page, simply dial the paging extension number, or if you have a pre-programmed button, you can press the paging button. When the paging system answers, state your page into the handset. When completed, hang up the phone.